Hello guys and welcome to my channel iPerfect. There is no absolute best kitchen knife for every person. Different budgets, grip styles and aesthetic tastes, not to mention a dozen other micro decisions, all determine which knife is best for the task at hand. This guide aims to identify which kitchen knives are best out of the box, hold up the longest and generally offer more value for your dollar. We also hope it helps you remove overpriced, unnecessarily bulky knife block sets from the pool of options. But first, our top racks for the most useful kitchen knives available in 2022. Weighing balance, price, materials, craftsmanship and necessity, we've narrowed your choice down to 13 chef's knives. Here's where the chips fell. Number 3. Wusthof Classic 8-inch Chef's Knife. I will confess a general preference for Japanese knives. The shorter, lighter blades work well for me. That said, I love this German-style Wusthof Chef's Knife. I've had it for many years, and it's currently the main knife I use. It's easier to get a fine edge on this than on other stainless blades I've tested, and the Wusthof holds that edge for a long time. A couple of quick swipes on honing steel to refine the edge before each use is all you need. The Wusthof is definitely a larger, heavier knife, but it's very comfortable to hold and will easily handle anything you throw at it. Number 2. Hast 8 Chef's Knife. The Hast Chef Knife looks a lot like the global knife on this list. It's made from a solid piece of steel that makes it easy to clean and wield. The knife won the 2021 Red Dot Design Award for design, and its design directly correlates with how well this knife performs. It's made to encourage a pinch grip, and the steel is matrix powder steel, which is scary sharp out of the box, but also surprisingly lightweight. Going to pick up the knife, you'd expect it to be quite heavy, but holding it in your hands, and using it to cut, is a breeze and easy on the wrist. Number 1. Mercer Culinary MX3 Chef's Knife. When we first tested this knife, we thought the price was a mistake. The feel and look is that of a more premium knife, and given Mercer's track record with making strong value chef's knives, that's not a huge surprise. The edge is taper ground, meaning it's thicker at the base than it is near the tip. This makes for easier honing and a more stable blade. We also appreciate that the bend of the heel on the knife, which creates ample room for a pinch grip.
Unless you score a serious deal, knife sets are usually not a good investment. You don't need a lot of knives, you need a few good knives. Most people will be best served with 3 knives, an 8-inch chef's knife, a paring knife, and a serrated knife. That's enough to prepare just about any meal. Knife sets often cost twice as much as buying those 3 knives separately, and they rarely offer anything else useful. The large wooden storage blocks also suck up useful counter space. Skip the set and invest in a sharpener instead.
Subscribe to my channel if you are new here and press the bell icon for more.